I gotta go around that building to get it.
When it gets to a wind speed, that's when it's gonna start dropping down.
Yeah. I'm gonna get these shit. It's gonna move this way.
This is a documentary.
Yeah. It's moving.
It's starting to straighten right over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's starting to straighten right over here.
We'll see it in about 2 more minutes. It's moving towards the east, northeast. There go the back of it right there.
It's tornado season now. That's what he said that what his daddy used to say when the sky turned like an aquamarine color. Like that color right over there, like my birthstone color. That means it's a tornado that should be around soon.
They say it's a tornado warning. We don't know, but it looked like it might.
6:15.
It looked like it might. It's dropping. It's moving though. You see it? The back end of it right here. All that's part of it too. It's swirling though. It's trying to go around in a circle. Here come the wind though. Yeah, here come the wind. Huh? It's what?
Something foul there.
Yeah, but that tornado over there too.
Yeah, I know, but smoke and a tornado, that shit look crazy.
Yeah.
I was riding the bus down.
It is awesome. It is awesomely beautiful and scary than a motherfucker all at the same time. Let me find out that we like to do the same shit. Wow, that is fucking crazy.
Huh? Shoot, this would be like the first tornado Tulsa seen in a long time.
Did it hit? Did it touch down? Or
Huh?
did it touch down?
Nah, it ain't touched down. It's trying to break up now.
I see one touchdown yet. I haven't had anything on my phone that says that something touched down yet. It just said a tornado warning until about 6:15.
It's trying to break up.
And it's 5:47 now, so until 6:15.
Shoot. The news don't know when that nigga gonna come back around.
Be like, fuck all this shit.
Tornadoes.
Ain't over yet.
Yeah, tornadoes is like niggas. They show up
Yeah,
when they
see?
want to.
This just
Yeah, I
popped
got
up on
something on my phone. Can I use your phone for some?